I'm going to show you one of my favorite uses for the high school multiplication chart. I need props. Wait. Okay, we're back with props. So my favorite use for the multiplication chart, once the kids already know their multiplication facts, or if you're in middle school, high school, so any secondary, is to use it for equivalent fractions and or proportions, or to simplify fractions. So here's how it works. If I wanted to simplify a fraction, I'm gonna find the fraction here in the colored part of my board. So let's say that the fraction is 9/15, okay? So I'm gonna look here, and because it's a fraction, I wanna be looking at columns, so going vertically down. I'm going to find 9/15 in a column. I'm gonna look and see if I can find 9/15. So I'm looking here, I know it's in the threes column, so 9 and 15 are right here, 9/15. So I can visualize that as a fraction in my head, 9/15. Now, I may need another prop, so hold on. I couldn't find a second meter stick, so I've got a broom, but the same idea holds. So I found 9/15 here, and I can envision this as a fraction. These are on these rows. If I move to the left, I can see that this simplifies to 3/5, and that these are all of the equivalent fractions to 3/5. So 18 over 30 is also equivalent to 12 over 20 is equivalent to 9 over 15 is the same as 3/5. It works really well if you can tell like 1/2, so 1/2, 2/4, 3/6, 4/8, and so on and so forth. But like I said, it does work if the values are not close together. So I could do this for 3/8, and then these are all of my equivalent values for 3/8. So I hope that you are not just thinking that the multiplication chart is like one use only. There are plenty of patterns that you can find in the multiplication chart, and I hope you enjoy.